Bro, am I recording, bro? Alright, am I recording? Alright, cool. Alright, cool, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bro. Alright, but look, so I got y'all neeks. Hey Guapo. Bro, this shit fire, bro. This shit fire. And it's on a heartbeat, not no plug. Yo, I had a Glock and the shit I made. I fed the bitch and I swear that I finished. She said I love it, I didn't even mean it. Rihanna put him with the birds, yeah. Mommy, y'all niggas just learn, yeah. Yeah, I had the cash, yeah, I want last, yeah. I'm at the pass, yeah, I'm at the Rick. Bitch, I win, I lost. I win. Hold on. Think I want. Nope. Yeah. I lost. Yeah, whoa. I wanna spend a dough. Young niggas really just hoes. So, man, I'm just pulling up. No, let me restart it. Yeah, I had a Glock and the shit I made. I fed the bitch and I swear that I finished. She said I love it, I didn't even mean it. Rihanna put him with the birds, yeah. Mommy, y'all niggas just learn, yeah. Yeah, I had the cash, yeah, I want last, yeah. I'm at the pass, yeah, I'm at the Rick. Bitch, I win, I lost. Yeah, whoa, I wanna spend a dough. Young niggas really just hoes, so man, I'm just pulling up foes, so money coming in the rolls, so man, I swear I'm chosen. I'm in the bag it, yeah, I'm gonna smack it, yeah. I'm in the faucet, yeah, whoa, I'm in the toilet, yeah, whoa, I'm in the pocket, yeah, that niggas bugging, yeah, can't trust y'all fake niggas when y'all can't even keep a promise. Glock ain't in this brain, nigga, man, I swear y'all niggas too modest. Ooh, okay, hold on. Let me show it without the beat. Alright, let me show it at the beat. Alright, let's check it. Yeah, I had a Glock and the shit I made. I fed the bitch and I swear that I finished. Said I love it, I didn't even mean it. Rihanna put him with the birds, yeah. Mommy, y'all niggas just learn, yeah. I'm about to. Yeah, I had the cash, yeah, I want last, yeah. I'm at the pass, yeah, I'm at the Rick. Bitch, I win, I lost. That shit fire, boy. I'm at a Rick. Bitch, I win, I lost. Yeah, whoa. I wanna spend a dough. Young niggas really just hoes, so man, I'm just pulling up foes, so money coming in the rolls, so man, I swear I'm chosen. I'm in the bag it, yeah. I'm gonna smack it, yeah. I'm in the faucet, yeah, whoa. I'm in the toilet, yeah, whoa. I'm in the clocking, yeah. Y'all niggas bugging, yeah. Can't trust y'all fake niggas when y'all can't even keep a promise. Glock aim in his brain, nigga, man, I swear y'all niggas too modest. Ooh. Now, I got 3 heygwuapo presets. The main vocals right here. When I use heygwuapo, I have it all the way up, 100%. On the undershooter. Alright. It's gonna be in the description, but like, you know, I gotta make a video on a girl course, so you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, so this one, yeah. Oh wait, so with this preset, I don't know if that nigga care, but like, so with this preset, so I looked up Cheramani. No, I looked, you know, on this guy channel. Hold on, this is channel. So I looked the shit up. But yeah, hold on. Yeah, so I looked the shit up, right? And then I changed some shit up. Yeah, I changed some shit up. I added this, I think. Like I changed the shit up. Like this sounds different from his. Look, let me go to his actual one. And I just like edited it and then changed some shit. Hold on. Let me go to his actual one. This one right here. Yeah. No, not this one. It's like Cheramani Alice some shit. Yeah. I don't know which one. I might have deleted actually. But yeah, it was something. Alright, let me stop stalling the video. But basically I just edited it. Hold on, this preset loud as fuck. Alright, so I just edited and shit, so So it is a different. Let me put it back. What the fuck? Yeah. All right. There you go. So I'm gonna just show it, but this channel right here. So go to it. You know what I'm saying? All right. All right. All right. Now let me show it. Wait, did I already show it? Yeah, I already showed it. Right now. Show it now. Yeah. That's how it sounds. All right. Yeah. All right. Now. It's time to show this. Yeah. I'm gonna show this one cause hold on. I'm gonna show this one cause you know. All right. Honestly, I might not even. I don't know. Whatever. That. Yeah. That. Yes, sir. I mean, yeah. And then that's how the beat. I'm at a Rick, Russ, bitch, I win on the loss. Yeah, whoa, I wanna spend a dog. Young niggas really just hoes, man, I'm just putting up foes, money coming in the rolls, man, I swear I'm chosen. I'm in the bag it, yeah, I can't, yeah. Niggas too modest. Alright, yeah, but that's it. That's basically it. This shit fire. This is a W video. I ain't gonna lie. W video. Hey, look though. If y'all get to this part, bruh. But look. You know I gotta do it. Exo Coda. Yes, sir. Then boom, the one with the guns. Change that shit. Hold on. I'm changing that shit right now. What should be my profile picture? Shit. I want a cat as it. I'm just gonna use this one. Actually, nah. Nope. We're looking up cat pictures. Cause why the fuck not? Shit. You know, I gotta make the video longer. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, this one right here, nigga. Oh yeah. Shit. See, there's a cooler one. Alright, chip on it. Chip better. Yes, sir. Alright, yep. Anyway, that's it. So, go to my account, listen. Now I got some songs you might like. My recommendation is this song right here. This song, if you like Jersey songs, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not good at that shit. But like, if you want to, this one. If you want more like a sad song, I guess this song kinda. And yeah, this one right here. I remember this song. It's a sad song. If you want ones with features that I like, shit, y'all see them. I like this one.
What's up, guy?
I don't lie, bitch, don't lie. You wouldn't know if I walking this bitch. You wouldn't know if I talking this bitch. You would die, you gon' try.
Better stop playing, this shit get dangerous. I love my AI shit at your house, get a shit a whole different arrange.
That nigga really sound like heygwuapo. Not me, shit. He on FL, but like, damn. See, I want my solo shit. All y'all niggas dumb, All y'all niggas are bums, All that old no
I'm in the open Vaughn, yeah. Hey, that, you know, if you want me like really rapping and shit.
And that bitch, you already knew I was gonna clap it after I clap.
I made this shit almost a year ago. This shit January.
I'ma go ahead and rap it. After I rap it, I'ma smack it again. Fucking that bitch and I'm fucking her twin. Bad bitch, you already know I wanna smack it. Smack it. Let me go ahead and go tag it. Tag it, just like I'm about to pop out. If you a dog, keep going to the pound. Sound like a hoe, what the fuck is that sound? Feel like a froggy hopping around.
Alright, let me stop stalling shit. It's just alright. Get out this black ass cat. Black ass neck. Never mind. But alright, look. So damn. Alright, that's it. You know, give me to 1K, nigga. Real quick. Hold on. One more thing. Damn. One more thing. Let me see how many subscribers I got. Ooh, let me see. 519. Bro, give me to 1K, bro. You're halfway, bro. Over halfway. Give me the 1K, my nigga. Give me the 1K, my nigga. Thank you. And goodbye, bitch.